To my boys and girls who loves a big walk-in closet. Today I want to share a relationship Feng Shui red flag with regards to walk-in closets as well as a real life example. In Feng Shui, it's not good for relationship when you have a room that contains another room, and especially when this other extra room is about 1/3 to 50% of the original bedroom. The sa here is the big room is carrying a smaller room, and that smaller room means infidelity, relationship issues. Who the hell is in that smaller room? So this morning I saw a girl, Sumner, on TikTok mentioning she had an affair with Adam Levine, and I recall seeing Adam Levine's house on AD, and he had a really interesting layout. This is his bedroom, and this is his entrance to his walk-in closet, but wait. Okay, now we're in his walk-in closet, but look, this is the entrance to his bathroom. And then wait. Okay, now we're in his bathroom, but look, that is Bahadi's walk-in closet. What does that mean in Feng Shui? As you learned from earlier this video, having a separate room that's 50% bigger than the original room is already bad enough. And in this case, we have a room within a room within a room, which potentially means that I wouldn't be too surprised if there are multiple people that comes out in this entire scenario. The solve to this is to create an entrance that's completely invisible, seamlessly integrated with the room, or you create a separate entrance that is not piggybacking on the original room. Since I got you for this far, I want to share that there's actually another sa beyond the room, and the room situation is actually this door and that door. So there's actually multiple of these looping inside the house. It is a little bit more advanced. Follow and comment and let me know if I should make a part 2.